Well, James Kinskelly, Tama Hosostavashi Baile. I'm so delighted to be back at home. All the noise in Galway. Takai like a jazz, Galway's nice. I've been Nurmacadainas, Nurmacaturn. Too many people, too much noise. And back here, one of my favourite places at Innisfire. Ceanna Fuachnaí. It's the most southwesterly point of Innisfire. And one of the most remote parts of Innisfire as well. So fewer, the least likely place to meet someone. So it's saving in my head like the sunny quarter clock. Well, Virtu clock? For that clock. He got a stone. He was looking for a stone. And actually, yes, never on when it's long before my because then the halt Rivort in the cliffs of over there isn't with a camera, then I fixed the selfie camera. I'm not sure if it's able to pick it up. The cliffs, world famous cliffs of Moher. Now, it's long of all.